YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today, I'm gonna be reviewing the Jordan 3 Cool Gray. I've been waiting on the sneaker for a minute to drop. When I first heard that the sneaker was dropping, I was super excited from the leaks because this shoe has so much, sentimental value to me. This is like one of the shoes that I couldn't afford when I was younger. I was like in middle school and I just really wanted these shoes badly. I couldn't afford them, and when I always saw them in person, it was just like seeing a unicorn. Like you pretty much saw no one with these. These were just like obsolete. Like you barely seen any pairs. The pairs that were around were going for like $400. This is like before resale was like really big and at the level that it is now. So back then that was kind of crazy for like a sneaker just be at just for something. But yeah, I was super excited. I could finally get my hands on these now. Of course, I did not hit on sneakers. I never hit on sneakers. I ended up copping these on JD Sports. Surprisingly, I was able to hit on my size. Now, when I first checked out and everything, I thought I grabbed the wrong size, but I actually grabbed the size that I really needed, and I'm happy about that. I'm happy that they fit and everything, because before I did the video, I just planned on selling them before I even touched them, before I even put my foot in them. But once I tried them on and realized that this was the perfect fit for me, I was happy. I kept them, and they're really cool. They're really dope. I haven't really seen too many people with them. I've seen a couple, but a highly slept on shoe. I feel like all Jordan 3s are being slept on due to the dunk craze. And it's just like, it's cool. It's cool. You ruin one thing for me, but you cannot ruin the next. It is cool. You guys can have dunks. It's whatever, but I'm gonna still cop Jordan 3s and Jordan 4s. But yeah, man, these sneakers are really sick. The quality on them, I would say, is pretty decent. Comparing these to the red cements that I have, these are really decent as far as the leather quality goes. And just overall, just the construction of the shoe and shaping. And this is a really good pair of sneakers. For once, Nike did not ruin something and just straight up destroy a release. For example, the Carmines. The reason why I didn't buy the Carmines is because they have freaking pink soles. I don't know if that's gonna happen to every pair, or if that's gonna happen to every pair down the line years from now. I don't know. I wasn't trying to be one of those people that was gonna find out, so I just left that shoe alone. I had many opportunities to grab that shoe. Many people have offered me pairs, and I have rejected them many of times, just because I just really wasn't crazy about them. They're not really going for much. So it's pretty much just like lunch money. If you are buying them for resale, which I wouldn't be, I would be buying these to wear. But I want to say, yeah, just all around dope shoe for the Jordan 3 Cool Grays, and just a sick colorway. Like this yellow really pops off with a gray. And the one thing that I really love the overall tongue of the Jordan 3s. Is one of my favorite things about the Jordan 3 is the tongue, and also the back. Now usually on a lot of the newer releases you would see Nike Air, but I'm happy with this one. They kept it true to the OG colorway that had the Jordan Air. So it pretty much was the Jumpman symbol in the air. And I think that's pretty dope. And I'm just super excited about wearing these. I cannot wait to wear these some more. It's been getting hotter outside. so I'm able to wear a lot more of my sneakers. And I want to just say, if you're looking for a pair of these, I would say go for them now. They're pretty much sitting at retail, which is great, honestly, if you like really truly like Jordan 3s, which I do. And I just really happy that this was one of the sneakers that everyone slept on, because this was one of the sneakers that meant a lot to me, because I used to obsess over the sneaker a lot. This sneaker, the Diamond Turfs, the Griffies, stuff like that. But yeah, once again, I want to say thank you for checking out the video. Thanks for checking out the channel. I got some on-foot footage here in the video, and I want to just say thanks and peace out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out my other videos. I will be bringing more videos soon on other sneaker releases that I've copped recently. Peace.